Hello, good evening, friends. This is Paritosh Banerjee, Astro Jyotish Vastu Guru, numerologist from Kolkata, India. Today, I will speak about. Today, I will share with you all on Vastu important tips. That is how and where you can keep your wall clock in your home, in your flat, in your factory, offices, and school, college, and etc. Any commercial and non-commercial establishments. First of all, as per Vastu, you can hang your wall clock in your east wall or north wall and northeast corner also. And if you are having your wall clock in your west side and south side, please remove it. We should not keep our wall clock in the south or west direction. Number two tips: if you are having any clock in the close mode, I mean, or if it is broken, don't keep it, and you have to repair it immediately. Or if you are having some off mode or repairable wall clock or wristwatch, even you should keep in the close box, and don't keep it in the and please keep it in the closed box, and it should not be visible from the outside. So this is the very good tips. I hope we will all will be benefited after implementing these Vastu tips. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, please write me or call me. My mobile number is 9830166956 and 8013366 My email: Paritosh, Paritosh underscore Banerjee, Banerjee 2003 at yahoo.co.in. Please do write. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.